Hey, what's up guys and welcome to my YouTube video. So from this video you are going to learn what is CSS and how can you do CSS and what are the requires or equipments do you need to do CSS in your PC, in your mobile phone. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start. Let's talk about what is CSS. CSS means the full form of CSS is Cascading Style Sheet. The CSS is a method to enhance HTML tags so that web page can be prepared attractive way. Okay. So in other words, HTML is just like a hollow part without any decoration, just a simple one, and many people don't like it. So many people will do like this. Okay, as you can see in the screen, many people like to decorate their rooms. So in this coding, in this coding field, so CSS means like decorate the HTML. So CSS is a design of a house. So here you can see that HTML is only for a structure and CSS is for a design. Okay, and so most of the programmers you used to do CSS in web pages. If we do only HTML in web pages, then it will look awful and then people don't like to use it. So most people use CSS to decorate their web pages. So I'm going to tell you how you can do it in your Chrome browser. Okay, so Chrome browser open गरेपछि VS Code download. Okay, VS Code download and then माथि सबसे ज्यादा माथि सुरुमा आएको वेबसाइट छ त्यसलाई क्लिक गरिदिने त्यसमै गएर अब यहाँतिर तीन तरहको डिभाइसको कुरा गरेको छ जसमा चाहिँ यो एउटा विन्डोजको लागि डाउनलोडको लागि यहाँ क्लिक गर्नु भनेको छ लिनक्सको लागि यहाँ डाउनलोड क्लिक गर्नु भनेको छ र म्याकहरुको लागि यहाँ छ सो हाम्रो सिम्पली विन्डोज छ विन्डोजमा क्लिक गरिदिने सिम्पली अब यो के हुन्छ डाउनलोड सुरु हुन्छ सो हाम्रो डाउनलोड प्रोग्रेस सुरु हुँदैछ सो डाउनलोड्समा जाऊ Okay, so download is completed, then open it, double click. So यस्ता खालको चीज देखिन्छ सो माथि रिमुभसँग छ यहाँतिर पढ्न फेरि हुन्छ सो एकैचोटि हामी लास्टमा गएर आई एक्सेप्ट एग्रीमेन्ट गरिदिने त्यसपछि नेक्स्टमा क्लिक गरिदिने त्यसपछि यो जुन हाम्रो VS कोडको जुन डाटाहरु हुन्छ त्यसलाई चाहिँ कहाँ राख्ने कहाँ स्टोर गर्नेको कुराहरु छ म ब्राउजरमा गएर म सिम्पली के गर्छु भने सिम्पली म कहाँ राख्नु फेरि म यसमा भोल्युम डी हरुमा पनि राख्न सकिन्छ अथवा लोकल डिक्सी मा पनि राख्न सकिन्छ यो दुईटा कुनै लोकल डिक्सी अथवा लोकल डिक्सी मा चाहिँ राख्नेको कुरा गरेको छ सो यसमा कुनै एउटामा गर्ने म लोकल डिक्सी मा गर्छु ओके सो म ओके क्लिक गर्छु एन्ड देन क्लिक इट अन नेक्स्ट त्यसपछिको कुनै एउटा स्टार्ट मेन्यु फोल्डरको छ सो ओके नेक्स्ट गर्दियौ त्यसपछि अब कुनै यस्तो यो खाली मानेको छ मलाई डेस्कटपमै आइकन चाहिएको छ सो त्यही भएर मैले यसमा क्लिक गरेर नेक्स्ट गर्छु एन्ड देन फाइनली द इन्स्टलेसन प्रोग्रेस इज स्टार्ट okay so installation is final finished then click it on finish okay let's continue okay यो सुरुमै ओपन भइरहेछ तर अहिले म नगर्ने
If you are a mobile user, then go on Play Store and search C programming app. After searching it, it provides you many applications related to C programming. You can download any of these applications, but I'm downloading coding C. Okay, I don't know why, but I'm just downloading it. So after I download, then I click in on open. Then you can see the interface. And for the basic, it provide me a basic coding for it. It's same like a PC, so I'm just giving a try. So click it on run, then it is compiling. So here you can see the output is given, and then I'm just wanna save this, so I'm clicking on menu button, and then after clicking it, here you can see the save as button. So after I click it, this will save as my C programming in the file in the folder, you can say anything. So I'm just, then after that I'm going to type the file name and then end it off with the dot cpp or the dot, and after that I'm going to click it on OK. So here you can see my file is saved.
So we are in text editor, okay, Visual Studio Code. So before starting the video or before starting the code, you need to create HTML. It is necessary for CSS. So in previous lesson I told you about the CSS, that CSS is a design of a house, means the house is created by a structure, that structure is made by the HTML. So you need to create first of all HTML. So it is very necessary to do CSS. So now let's talk about the how you can do CSS. So there are three steps to do CSS. So there are, first of all is inline, second is internal, third one is external. So let's talk about first one, inline. So in inline we just usually do CSS in any tag. Just what, in which part do you want to do CSS? Just like just for example, I'm going to give CSS in heading of the introduction of CSS. Okay, so I'm going to change the background of this introduction of CSS in red color. Okay, so I'm just giving red, or no, I'm just giving blue. Okay, so to create it, style, just tab it, and then what do you want to change? That is background. Okay, background color. So I'm just giving blue color, and then oh sorry, yep, blue color. And if I click Ctrl plus S, then here you can see that the background of introduction of CSS is changed. So let's jump into the second step. Okay, so to do second step, you need to create, or you need to apply style tag. Okay, style tag. So from here you can do style, I mean CSS. So for example, I'm just okay, so I'm just doing heading. So just create a background color. No, I'm just giving a color. Okay, color which is red. Okay, red. If I do Control S, so here you can see that the font color is changed into a red. So here you can see the heading. And if you want to do paragraph, and just give it a try. P, which type of P is? Okay, normal P. So just here, and I'm just giving background color which is gonna be blue. So if I do Control plus S, then here you can see that here you can see there is, wait a minute, I'm just okay, here you can see that it's completely changed, and after doing CSS it completely become attractive. Okay, so this is the power of CSS. And now jump into the third step, which is external. So what is external? So let's talk about it. First of all, I'm just copying the CSS. So Control C, I mean Control X. Yeah. So in third step, which is external, you need to create next file which is on, which ends up on .css. Okay, this is the external file, and here you can see, wait a minute, Control V, and from where did I, okay, so here you can see that in external we need to create an external file which is on CSS. So if we do Control plus S, wait a minute, oh, from here. So you guys are confused that I do CSS in the external way, but it did not shows any result. So So this is the step of external, and it creates with another file which is externally, which means that HTML is not connected with CSS. So we need to connect HTML to CSS. So to connect it, we just need to do some we need to know some coding. So let's talk about it. So do link rel. Okay. So from here, which type of is style sheet? Okay? You need to write style sheet in link rel, and then do some href, which is gonna be the file name. So style css, it shows here. Click it, and then goes here. So if I do Control S, then here you can see that the CSS is 2. So from here you can do CSS in 3 steps. Okay. So now next listen. If you want more about CSS and HTML, then click it on subscribe button and support my channel. And in next video, I'm going to upload it. And please comment your content. So thanks for watching this video.